My name is Wei Wong, and having worked on the IT management area since the early 90s, I feel there's still a long way to go in the management tools. Tools should bring information to an IT operations professional in an intuitive and context-rich way that can expedite problem identification, impacts to the business, and help trace back to problem areas. But that's not how most management solutions are built today. Instead, you get an incomplete view, a massive amount of management information, and a sea of red and green colors, without answering a question of how they connected together, and what does it mean for your key projects that has major effects on the business. Summus is devoted to helping you bring a clear management picture in a simple, functionally rich, and cost-effective way. What I'd like to accomplish today is to tell and show you what does Summus bring to your IT operations. How do we help you answer key questions like, what's the impact and cost of an issue? Who gets affected? When did it start and what changed when? How do you rapidly identify problem areas affecting the key business initiatives? How do you show IT operations side by side along your key business lines? This is key information that you want to be able to see over and over again. We'll show you what you have done to move the ball and moved it in a simple and cost-effective way. We're going to talk and show you the Summus IT Management Suite. It's a comprehensive, integrated, and cloud-based IT management solution. We have combined the three main operational management functions of asset management, availability management, and service management, along with project management capabilities with integrated processes into a life cycle of planning, procurement, configuration, release, and deployment. Afterwards, including monitoring, incident, and problem management, and all of the service levels that goes with that. A user of our system gets a very comprehensive and a 360-degree view. Most importantly, they also get a triangulation around IT operational activities within their environment, private and in the cloud. A simple example why this is important. If you only have service management and asset management data, you're missing the real-time visibility of your IT infrastructure. Is it deployed? Has it moved? What's the immediate status right now? You can only see information that's entered or discovered during the discovery process if you're missing that key element. No context of thresholds and all related availability metrics will be missing. I would characterize that as trying to gauge depth with one eye covered. So, the Summus solution approach. We have a global partner system. We have a mature and unified product platform called Summit, which allows us to provide our cloud-based offerings from Microsoft Azure. Right now, Summus is certified on 8 ITIL processes, and we will be announcing ITIL certification at the 13th process level in February. Even more, our asset management capabilities are compliant with ISO SAM and is used by the Business Software Alliance in their audit compliance process. Large and medium brands alike are finding Summus a good fit. We're growing steadily and rapidly. We have US customers, EMEA customers, India customers, and we're deploying LATAM and APAC channels. As different silos of real-time contextual information continue to proliferate within IT organizations, the cost and the complexity of operating and maintaining these silos is increasing. At the same time, the efficiency and accuracy and speed at which IT operations organizations need to respond to changing business priorities continue to decrease. IT management always have had a hard time answering the following questions without doing a lot of legwork. Just to name a few. What IT management projects have the most problems? What are most of the calls in the call center about? Where performance is degraded? What changed? Which servers are having the most problems and who is it going to affect? All of these can be answered in the first screen in Summus, and the rest is one drill down click away when you log into Summus. So what do we mean when we say we provide intelligent IT management? It's the ability for Summus to internally correlate and associate context-rich information from all three management angles and deliver that correlation to you in real time. We deliver this information to IT operation decision makers in a dashboard with drill downs. This turbocharges your intuition by giving you visual comparison side-by-side views, all aligned around your key business projects. Another way of saying it, we help you associate key metrics, give them context from the operational silos, correlate these metrics together, and feed IT operations visually. Correlation and association glue all of the operational data from silos so that you get a functional visualization of service levels, a project-by-project side-by-side view, a one-glance visual comparative analysis, and it brings visual intuition for quick and impactful analysis. Just look at the thought process chain. Through the real-time intelligent correlation dashboard, we help you to have an environment for intuition to play a larger part in the analysis of problems and incidents. Narrow down the set of conclusions reached based on that intuitiveness, provide a fast drill down data which can validate your conclusions, and quickly get you to a point where you can decide a course of action. In this scenario, the management system is helping you to bring the data that you need to see rather than waiting for you to look for it. So what's the value of intelligent IT management? It's about being faster, getting situation awareness, making assessments and decisions. Assured, increasing confidence and certainty in assessments, and driving conclusions and decisions. Simpler, letting you look at the processes and step through necessary pieces to making the right decisions. And accuracy, less scenarios to screen through for situation analysis and therefore more accurate decision making. Thank you.